Hello friends, I'm Gautam Hari. Today I'll be showing you how to verify, extend, create, attach and detach your Elastic Block Store volume. Now what is Elastic Block Storage? It is nothing but an easy to use, scalable, high performance block storage service designed for Amazon EC2. As you can see, I'm at the EC2 homepage. So without further ado, I'll be launching an instance. Let's name the instance as demo class. I'll be choosing the Windows AMI 2022 base variant. Instance will be T2 micro. Key pair I will be using the already available key pair demo key. If you want, you can edit your network setting. As I'm in the North Virginia availability zone, I'll be selecting the US East 1A availability zone, and I'll be creating a new security group. You can leave all the other settings as default and launch the instance. The status check will at least take 1 or 2 minutes to get completed. As you can see, the status check is completed. Now we will connect the instance. I'll be choosing the RDP client method. First, let's get the password. As you can see, the keeper associated with this instance, its name is demo key. I will decrypt the password. I'll copy this password and download the RDP file. I'll just paste the password that I have copied before. Now, as the remote PC is getting started, we will be extending the EBS volume first. I've selected the instance and let's go to the storage section. I'll be selecting the volume ID and I'll be modifying the volume first. I'll, as you can see, the size is 30 GB. I'll increase it up to 32 GB and I'll press modify. It will at least take 1 minute for the size to get modified. Uh, as you can see, the size has been modified. Now let's go to our remote PC. As I want to extend the partition of my remote PC, I'll be going to the disk management. Its command code is diskmgmt.msc. Right click on the C partition and I will extend the volume. As you can see, before it is 30 GB. Once I press the extend volume, it will increase by 2 GB. As you can see, it has been increased by 2 GB. Once again, we will go back to our AWS console. I'll be creating a new EBS volume first. So let's go to volumes and I'll be creating a new volume. Size, let's keep it to 2 GB. Availability zone here is very important as my instance is already at US East Zone 1A. So the copy should also be in the same available zone. Leave all the other settings as default and create the volume. You can see a new volume is created. Now I will be attaching this EBS volume to the above volume. I'm pressing the attach volume, this 2 GB volume, and this is the instance that we had launched before. As you can see, its name demo plus. I'm putting its name. You can select any device name as it's been provided for free, and you can attach the volume. Now, there's a very important step to complete. We need to verify and create partition within the Windows instance that we had created. As you can see, a separate volume has been created, but it is showing offline and it is still yet to be allocated. So first we should make this file online. It is showing not initialized, so we initialize this disk. As you can see, it is showing online, but it is still yet not allocated. So we create a new simple volume. The new volume will be created in the D folder, as you can see here. As you can see, the folder has been allocated. Now, if you want to check the partition, let's go to the PC folder, this PC. As you can see, the file has been extended from 30 to 32 GB here, and a new extra volume has been created. That is new volume D for 2 GB. Now, in order to detach your EBS volume, let's go back to the AWS console. Let's click the 2 GB volume, actions, and detach the volume. Now this will take a minute or two. If I go back to the Windows instance, you can see that the local disk D has been deleted or detached. So once all the processes are done, we can do the cleanup step. That is, first is you terminate your instance. Once you terminate your instance, your root volume will be deleted since the delete on termination is enabled, but still the extra 2 GB EBS volume we have to manually delete it. So we'll go to the volumes. As you can see, the if I refresh, the 32 GB volume has been terminated, and manually we need to delete this extra volume. I will delete the volume here. As you can see, the volume has been deleted. So the cleanup step is very necessary, or else you will the extra 2 GB charged 2 GB volume will be giving you extra charges. So make sure to delete the extra 2 GB volume. So that was for today's class. Thank you.